In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a social image for your app in Base44, step by step. This is a quick but important customization because your social image is what appears when people share your app link on social media, messaging apps, and previews. A strong image makes your app look more professional and helps it stand out. If this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple app building tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your Base44 project. Once you're inside the project, look for the dashboard and click on it. This takes you to the main area where you can manage your app settings and project details. From the dashboard, find and click on Settings. This is where Base44 keeps the options for configuring your app, including branding and sharing preferences. After the settings page opens, look for the social image section. Next to social image, you'll see an upload option. Click upload, then choose the image file you want to use from your computer. Make sure the image is clear, high quality, and sized appropriately for social previews so it looks good when shared. Once you select the file, upload it and wait for it to finish. After the upload is complete, your app will now use that image as the social preview image. That's it. Your social image is now set up in Base44. If this video was helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.